Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to connect PostgreSQL to N8N. If you're working with automation and databases, this integration can be extremely useful because it allows you to store, retrieve, and manage data automatically inside your workflows. PostgreSQL is a powerful open-source relational database system that many developers use to manage structured data, while N8N is a workflow automation tool that lets you connect different services and automate tasks without writing a lot of code. So if you want to learn how to integrate PostgreSQL with N8N and start using databases inside your automations, please listen and watch carefully. Let's get started. At first, what we will do is click the button or the red button that says Add New Credentials. Then a search bar will appear. At that search bar, we will type Postgres and click the first result. After clicking that result, we will see Host, Database, User, and Password, which is blank and is left for us to fill it. You will enter the password that you entered when installing Postgres software. And for the port, the number that we are going to enter is the number that we entered when we were installing Postgres. For me, it is the default number when I installed it. After entering our password, we will scroll down to the last and click Save. And finally, we will see the message at the top, Connection tested successfully.
As simple as that. Our connection is ready.
So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.